Hi, I'm Chris Williams, Certified Master BMW Technician here with Autoscope. Today we're going to be discussing your BMW and if it does anything abnormal. This car, for example, has a burning smell when hot. Noticing those type of things will help the technician actually diagnose your car. So as much information as possible that you can document will make the repair process easier and faster for you. In this case, this car has an oil leak causing the smell after the exhaust gets warm. If you do notice anything with your BMW, such as a warning light, a shake, a shimmy, abnormal vibration, or any abnormal smells, please bring your car to Autoscope so we can determine the fault. I'm Chris Williams, BMW Certified Master Technician here with Autoscope. You can come see me at our Plano location anytime and I'll get you taken care of.
Autoscope. Trust and value, the way car repair should be.